In this video, the focus is on the database function. You are in editing mode, and using this shop as an example, you can open the database table via the blue database icon in the display view. Here you can see all items and, for example, edit an item in the record view or duplicate it if you want to create a similar item. In the record view, you can also search using various criteria. You enlarge the window to better see the search. You can search in different columns using different criteria, sort records, set the number of displayed records, and switch back to the record view at any time. To do this, click on the desired item and select Edit Record, or click Edit at the bottom. You are now in the record view. This view is particularly suitable for writing descriptions for individual items. Here, multi-line text can be written and improved, or generated using AI. You can replace images or add additional detail images. You can switch between individual records and continue editing directly. In the second part, you can see that items can also be adjusted using the Quick Edit button. By clicking Edit, the record view opens, where you can edit individual items. In addition, there is the option to access the database table via the main menu. To do this, click Database in the main menu and then Database for Tables. At the bottom, you will find your database tables, such as the blog or the shop database table. So far, you have only seen the display view. There, you can view, search, and sort records, but you cannot make direct changes. That is what the second view is intended for. In the shop table, select Edit, and you will see a tabular view similar to Excel. Here, you can make changes directly. The displayed records can also be exported to Excel, edited there, and then reinserted. This view is particularly practical for quickly changing smaller numbers of items. From this table view, you can also switch back to the record view to edit items in detail. A total of 50 items are displayed per page. If there are more, you can access additional pages using the page navigation at the top. This allows even very large item inventories with several million records to be managed efficiently. In addition, there is the option to export the entire item table. You can select your shop table and export it as a TXT or CSV file, download it, and edit it in a spreadsheet application such as Excel. Afterwards, you can import the edited file again. To do this, upload your CSV file, select the corresponding database, for example, shop, and decide whether existing records should be deleted and replaced or whether only new items should be added. For developers, there is also the option to execute custom MySQL commands. Further information can be found in the video MySQL Records for Developers. All databases are automatically backed up 7 days a week. If an error occurs during export or import, or if the database is damaged, you can restore a backup at any time. For example, the shop table can be reset to yesterday's state and fully restored. This was the short introductory video on working with databases. As you can see, the system is very simple. Even if you have never worked with databases before, you can see that it is essentially just another form of representation, similar to an Excel table. Data can be managed, searched, and edited efficiently. In addition, you can import existing item lists, for example, from your own office management software. That concludes the introduction to the database editor.